So remember, there was a trial within the trial for accused number 1 and accused number 2. That is Buta, Kelly's boyfriend, and Steffi, who is the family friend. So Steffi alleges that he was tortured to give the statement, right? But we know that Judge Nathan decided that the statements are admissible. So in this video, you're going to hear Steffi's statement read into the record. Now, I decided to go back and listen to it again, and in so doing, okay, we take out the element of the torture and that the police gave him the 5 sentences that he had to say, okay? And then you realize, was he tortured to give the statement? Because where would the police have got the details with regards to the microwave? Do you guys remember the microwave story? Rands also has a microwave story which matches Buta's story about the microwave and Steffi's story about the microwave. So then I asked myself, why would the police invent this microwave situation? Now, the other parts which stand out for me is that Steffi says he and Buta went to Makalima's house at around 1 p.m. and they took Jocelyn to her. He doesn't know why. He was just a friend, okay? It was just a neighborly friend walking with Buta along the way. And then after that, they went on the microwave mission. So the microwave was going to be sold for 100 rands. They didn't get the 100 rands that same day. It was being sold to somebody else, not even Makalima. So they left Jocelyn with Makalima, and that's it. That's it. That's the end of the story. The story ends with they left Jocelyn there, and that is it. So then this is the question that I'm having, or should I say struggling with. If the statement is admissible as is, and in this statement he talks about Makalima, why is Makalima not being called to the stand? Why were Makalima's charges dropped? Makalima is Upumza Skatla, whom was initially part of the 4 accused, but then her charges were dropped, and then when her charges were dropped, she was replaced by Rands, who became accused number 4. And then she was supposed to be a state witness, but then she became hostile, according to the state. Most recently, meaning she is an untrusted person, okay? They are not sure what she's going to say. Of course, if I was her, I would also be a raging witness, okay, because you guys arrested me, you tortured me, and then the community thought I was this woman who takes little girls with blue eyes, and then my life has been awful ever since. But I also wonder at the same time, is Makalima, aka Pumza, aware that she can claim a lot of money from the state for this accusation or arrest or undue experience that she had? That's just a question I have. But then we go back to the fact that if the statements are admissible, guys, why is she not inside Phakathi within? Because in this statement, so I'm going to play it in a few seconds, you're going to hear Steffi implicates Makalima as the one where they left Jocelyn. But she doesn't come to the stand to tell us where Jocelyn is, where she went. Did they even come to her house? Is there proof of them going to her house? This is all hearsay evidence. In my opinion, this is going to be interesting to see what Judge Nathan is going to do with this portion of the statement. But let's go ahead, listen in, and let me know your thoughts. Of course, I'll be back with the rest of my commentary, and I'll catch you up in the comment section down below.
Come we listen.
SVR. Hy het vir my gesê, Kelly het vir hom gesê, hy moet die kind omvat tot by Makalima, meneer.
He told me that Kelly told him to take the child around to Makalima, sir.
Kyk ons. Onthou jy moet vir my sê.
Remember, you must tell me.
Ek weet nou nie wie, soos ek vir jou gesê het. Ek weet glad nie wie.
I do not know now who. Like I told you, I do not know at all who.
SVR, okay. Kelly is die ma, meneer.
Kelly is the mother, sir.
Kyk ek ken nie die name van goed nie. As jy vir my sê hy, dan moet jy vir my die persoon se naam ook gee.
I do not know the name of these things. If you say hy, then you need to give me the name of the person as well.
SVR, sê Buta, Jacqueline, okay?
Say Buta, Jacqueline, okay?
Okay, is die persoon se naam moet jy vir my kan sê. Okay,
Is it the
verstaan jy?
person's name? You must tell me, do you understand?
SVR naam, ja, okay.
Yes, fine.
KS, soos ek vir jou gesê het, vertel.
As I told you to tell.
SVR, okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
KS. Sien jy soos jy nou van vooraf, jy moet vir my die name sê.
Like you see now, like before, you need to tell me the names.
As jy vir my die middag van so, is jy deur so en so persoon.
If you tell me about the afternoon of such, you were by such and such a person.
Jy moet die name noem, want ek moet dit neerskryf.
You need to mention the names because I need to write it down.
SVR, ja meneer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, die middag het ek afgegaan tot daar by Jacqueline meneer.
The afternoon, I went down to Jacqueline, sir.
Okay, is dit nou die middag van die 19de Februarie?
Is that now the afternoon of the 19th February?
SVR, ja meneer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, is hoe laat min of meer?
What time approximately?
SVR, so 1 o'clock past 1.
Say about 1 o'clock past 1.
Okay, is okay. SVR, ek het daar by hom gekom meneer.
Arrived there by him, sir.
Hy het vir my gesê, Kelly was die middag daarso.
He informed me that Kelly was there the afternoon.
En Kelly het gechaila.
And Kelly broke up from work.
Nie gechaila nie, gelunch.
Not broke up from work or finished work. He came for lunch.
Jocelyn se ma meneer, Raquel.
Jocelyn's mother, sir, Raquel.
Okay, is haar naam Raquel?
Is her name Raquel?
SVR, Raquel meneer, Kelly Raquel.
Raquel meneer, Kelly Raquel.
Sy was die middag daarso op lunch gewees meneer.
She was there the afternoon for lunch, sir.
Okay, wat is haar van?
What is her surname?
SVR, ek is nou uit met haar van meneer.
I am not sure as to her surname now, sir.
Smith dink ek meneer.
Smith, I think so.
Sy was die middag daarso op lunch gewees.
She was there the afternoon for lunch, sir.
Maar sy is weer terug werk toe.
But then she returned back to work.
En Jacqueline met die kind vat tot by Makalima meneer.
Jacqueline was taking the child to Makalima, sir.
En ek het saam met Jacqueline geloop tot by Makalima om die kind tot daar te vat meneer.
I went with Jacqueline to Makalima to leave the child there, sir.
En toe het ek en Jacqueline die kind gelos daarso meneer.
And then myself and Jacqueline left the child there, sir.
Want Kelly het hom gestuur om die kind daar te gaan los meneer.
And Kelly sent him to leave the child there, sir.
Okay, sê my net gou.
Please tell me quickly,
Voordat ek nou gaan neerskryf,
before I write it down,
wat het voor daai tyd gebeur?
what had happened before that?
Voor jy nou die middag voor jy nou die middag gestap het daarna toe, het julle voorheen gesels?
Before you took the child the afternoon there, did you speak before that?
SVR, hoe nou meneer? Wie nou meneer?
How now, say who? And who now, sir?
Okay, ek vra nou vir jou, jy en, hoe sê jy nou, wat is sy naam?
I'm asking you now, you and who is his name now again?
SVR, Jacqueline.
Jacqueline?
Okay, is Jacqueline, okay. Het julle nooit gepraat nie?
Did you never spoke?
SVR, wie nou?
Who now?
Okay, het jy net die middag, het jy na sy huis toe gegaan?
You just went to his house that afternoon?
SVR, nie, ons praat altyd meneer, ons is vriende meneer.
No, we talk all the time, sir. We are friends, sir.
Okay, okay.
Oh, fine.
SVR, ja meneer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So, jy sê op watter dag was dit?
Now you say, what time was it?
SVR, die 19de meneer.
The 19th, sir.
My datum is mos reg meneer.
My date is correct, sir.
Is mos die 19de Februarie, is die kind mos verlore?
It is indeed the 19th when this child disappeared.
Of is dit nou Maart?
Or is it March?
Nee, dis die 19de Februarie meneer, dis reg meneer.
No, that is the 19th February. That is correct, sir.
Okay, is okay. SVR, dit was 'n maandag gewees.
It was a Monday.
Okay, jy sê jy het die maandag na jou vriend se huis toe gegaan.
You said you went to your friend's house the Monday.
SVR na Jacqueline Apollos.
Jacqueline Apollos.
Okay, hoe laat was daai min of meer?
What time was it more or less?
SVR om 1 o'clock past 1.
Approximately 1 o'clock, after 1 o'clock.
Okay, is Jacqueline.
Jacqueline.
SVR Jacqueline Apollos.
Jacqueline Apollos.
Okay, is Jacqueline, yes sir.
Jacqueline, yes sir.
Okay, is waar bly Jacqueline?
Waar does Jacqueline stay?
SVR by Raquel meneer.
With Raquel, sir.
Okay, is wat se adres?
What is the address?
SVR, ek ken nie daai adres nie, maar is in Middelpos.
I do not know that address, but it is Middelpos.
Okay, is Middelpos?
Oh, Middelpos.
SVR, yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, is okay. Jy sê jy het na sy huis toe gegaan in Middelpos.
And you say you went to his house in Middelpos.
Okay, vertel maar verder.
Please tell me further.
SVR, daai was die middag meneer wat ek daar aangekom het.
It was the afternoon, say, when I arrived there.
Jacqueline het vir my gesê, maar Kelly het vir hom gesê hy moet die kind na Miss Makalima toe vat.
Jacqueline told me that Kelly told him to take the child to Miss Makalima
Tot daardie middag.
as that afternoon.
KS Miss Makalima, SVR
Miss Makalima.
Miss Makalima, ja.
Miss Makalima, yes.
KS tot waar is dit?
How far is this?
SVR, dis sê 5 na 7 minute se loop meneer.
Say about 5 to 7's walk, sir.
KS, is dit nog steeds in Middelpos?
It's still in Middelpos.
SVR, yes ja. Hy moet die kind daar los by haar by Makalima.
Yes, he must leave the child there by Makalima.
KS, okay, waar was Raquel?
Where was Raquel?
SVR, sy was toe terug werk toe
She
mos
was then
meneer.
back to work, sir.
KS, toe jy daar aankom was Raquel daar?
Upon your arrival there, was Raquel there?
SVR, nee meneer, sy was nie daar nie.
No, sir, she wasn't there.
KS, en hy het gesê sy was daar.
He said she was there.
SVR, ja meneer. En sy het vir hom gesê, hy moet die kind vat tot by Miss Makalima en ek is saam met hom tot daar by Miss Makalima.
Yes, sir. He told him to take the child to Miss Makalima, and I was with her there by Miss Makalima,
En die kind gelos daar by Miss Makalima.
and left the child there by Miss Makalima.
Ek het nog bietjie water gedrink in die yard
I still drank a little bit of water in the yard,
en ons is weg daar meneer.
and then we left there, sir.
KS, okay.
Okay.
This is the second movie, MOV 002. KS. Toe waarna toe gaan julle van daar af?
So from there onwards, where did you go to?
SVR. Toe ek het mos 'n microwave wat ek gehet het meneer,
I had a microwave that I had, sir,
wat ek wil verkoop het.
that I wanted to sell,
Verstaan meneer?
You understand, sir?
En toe vat ons die microwave aan meneer.
and then we took the microwave, sir.
KS. Nou wat moet okay. Ek gaan nou vir jou 'n paar vrae vra.
I'm going to ask you a few questions now.
Wat is Jacqueline se noemnaam?
What is Jacqueline's nickname?
SVR Boeta meneer.
Puta, sir.
KS Boeta.
Puta.
KS, wat is die kind se naam?
What is the child's name?
SVR Jocelyn meneer.
Jocelyn, sir.
KS, hoe sê jy na watter huis? Na wie se huis toe?
Now you say to what? To which house? Whose house?
SVR Miss Makalima.
Miss Makalima.
KS Makalima, SVR yes sir.
Makalima, yes, sir.
KS, okay. Jy sê Boeta het gesê dat Raquel Smith alias Kelly dat hy vir Jocelyn, haar dogter, na Miss Makalima se huis moet neem.
You say that Puta said Raquel Smith alias Kelly that Puta must take her daughter Jocelyn to Miss Makalima's house?
SVR ja meneer.
Yes, sir.
KS, okay, vir watter rede?
For what reason?
Het hy net gesê hy moet haar neem?
He just said that you must just take her.
SVR ja, Kelly het gesê hy moet haar neem meneer.
Yes, Kelly said you must take her, sir.
En hy het net so gedoen soos sy gesê het.
And it's just that as told, sir.
En ek en hy het 'n microwave verkoop wat ek gehad het
And
meneer.
then myself and him sold a microwave that I had, sir.
KS, okay, hou net daar vas.
Okay, just hang on there.
Soos jy sê, so jy sê jy het saam met hom geloop na Miss Makalima se huis toe.
Like you said, you went along with him to Miss Makalima's house.
Hoe ver se loop is dit?
How far's walk is that?
SVR, dis 5 tot 7 minute
It's
se
about
loop
5 to
meneer.
7 minutes walk, sir.
KS, het jy net saam met hom geloop?
You just walk along with him.
Het hy vir jou gesê of gevra om saam met te loop? Om saam met
Did he
hom.
did he tell you or he asked you to walk with him?
SVR, ek loop saam met hom meneer.
I walk with him, sir.
Time 0450, page 17, KS. Okay, jy sê ek het toe saam met Boeta vir Jocelyn na Miss Makalima se huis geneem.
You say together with Puta, we took Jocelyn to Miss Makalima's house.
That's the spelling error. Miss Makalima woon ook in Middelpos, nie ver van Boeta se huis af
Miss
nie.
Makalima also resides in Middelpos, not far from Puta's house.
Is dit reg?
Is that correct?
SVR, ja meneer.
Yes, sir.
Ek het 'n microwave gehad wat ek verkoop het.
I had a microwave that I sold, sir.
KS. Okay, voor nou daai, het
No, before that,
julle vir Jocelyn daar gelos.
you left Jocelyn there.
SVR, ja meneer.
Yes, sir.
KS, so Miss Makalima was by die huis gewees?
Was Miss Makalima at home?
SVR, yes sir.
Yes, sir.
KS, okay, waarna toe het julle toe daarna gegaan?
Where did you go after that?
SVR, daarna het ons mos gegaan met die microwave wat ek gehad het, meneer. Boeta
After that, we left with the microwave that I had, sir. Puta.
Boeta het 'n buyer gehad, meneer.
Puta had a buyer, sir.
KS, so julle het die microwave gaan verkoop.
So you went to sell the microwave?
SVR, ja meneer.
Yes, sir.
Maar hy het gesê ons moet terugkom vir die geld, vir die R100.
But he said we must return back for the money for the 100 rands.
Kyk is okay. En waarna het julle gegaan van daar af?
And then where did you go after that?
SVR van die microwave plek af meneer?
From the microwave place there,
Na Boeta hulle plek toe meneer.
we went to Buta and them's place there,
Na Boeta hulle se huis.
now to Buta and them's house.
Kyk, was dit die laaste keer wat jy vir Jocelyn gesien het?
Was that the last time you saw Jocelyn?
SVR, ons het hom ons gelos daar by Makalima se
We
huis.
left her there at Makalima's house.
Kyk, is okay. Is dit al wat jy wil sê?
Is that all you want to say?
SVR, ja meneer.
Yes, sir.
Kyk, is okay. Ek gaan nou net vir jou 'n paar vrae nog vra,
Now
né?
I'm going to ask you a few questions
SVR knikkop bevestiging.
as we are nodding the head in confirmation.
You can leave at the time and the parts. Let's go to the content.
Kort Jesus my lord. Kyk, is okay meneer. Ek het gesê ek gaan jou nou 'n paar vrae vra want ek wil net so 'n paar goedjies opklaar, né?
Good say. I said I want to ask you a couple of questions or few questions. There's
But
few
I-
little good stuff that I'd like to have clarity on.
Wat ek nou nie so wat ek wil opklaar, verstaan jy?
That I'd like to have clarity on. Do you understand?
SVR ja meneer.
Yes, sir.
Kyk, Stefino, is jy nog okay?
Stefano, are you well? Are you still fine?
SVR yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Kyk, is jy seker?
Are you sure?
SVR knikkop bevestiging.
Nodding head in confirmation.
Kyk, is okay, kyk vir my.
Look at me.
Okay, ek het vir jou gesê ek gaan vir jou 'n paar vrae vra,
I
verstaan
told
jy?
you I'm going to ask you a few questions. Do you understand?
SVR ja meneer.
Yes, sir.
Kyk, sê gou vir my, wat is die verwantskap tussen Boeta en Kelly?
Tell me, what is the relationship between Buta and Kelly?
Wat is hulle? Hoe word hulle met mekaar gelink?
What are they? What is the link between the two of them? Between them?
SVR nee meneer, hulle is nie so goed gelink met mekaar wat ek sien nie meneer.
No, they are not so well linked that I can see, sir.
Kyk, maar wat is hulle van mekaar?
But what are they to each other?
SVR meisie ouetjie meneer.
With the boyfriend and girlfriend, sir?
Kyk, is okay, wat is Jocelyn se van?
What is Jocelyn's name?
SVR ek weet nie meneer.
I do not know, sir.
Kyk, is hoekom moes julle dan vir Jocelyn na Miss Makalima se huis toe neem?
Why did we have to take Jocelyn to Miss Makalima's house?
SVR Kelly het vir hom gestuur meneer.
Kelly sent him, sir.
Kyk, is maar het hy nie gesê hoekom nie?
But didn't he say why?
SVR nee meneer.
No, sir.
Kyk, is weet jy dalk wat die rede was?
Do you know perhaps what the reason was?
SVR nee meneer.
No, sir.
Kyk, is Stevino,
Stefano,
dan het jy weer vir Jocelyn gesien nadat jy vir haar by Makalima se huis
did you
gelos het?
see Jocelyn again after you've left at Makalima's?
Nee meneer.
No, sir.
Kyk, is het jy weer vir Kelly gesien nadat jy vir Jocelyn daar gelos het?
Did you see Kelly again after you left Jocelyn there?
Al is dit die volgende dag ook.
Even if it's the following day?
Ja meneer.
Yes, sir.
Kyk, is wanneer?
When?
SVR die oggend meneer.
The next morning, sir.
Kyk, is het jy vir haar enigiets gevra?
Did you ask her anything?
SVR sy het vir my gevra meneer.
She asked me, sir.
Kyk, is wat het sy vir jou gevra?
What did she ask you?
SVR, as ek nie 'n man gesien het met 'n rooi T-shirt nie.
If I did not see a man with a red T-shirt,
Kyk, is 'n man met 'n rooi
a
T-shirt?
man with a red T-shirt?
SVR ja meneer.
Yes, sir.
Want 'n man met 'n rooi T-shirt het glo vir Jocelyn gevat meneer.
Because a man with a red T-shirt, believe me so, took Jocelyn.
Maar sy weet, sy het dan vir Boeta gestuur met die kind na Makalima toe.
But she knows she is the one who sent Buta with the child to Makalima.
Kyk, is hoe sê jy? Het jy enigiets vir Kelly gevra?
What are you saying? Did you ask Kelly anything?
SVR nee meneer.
No, sir.
Kyk, is maar wat het sy vir jou gesê?
But what did she tell you?
SVR sy het vir my gesê die man met die rooi T-shirt het vir Jocelyn gevat.
She told me that the man with a red T-shirt took Jocelyn.
Kyk, is meneer?
Sir?
SVR ja meneer.
Yes, sir.
Kyk, is jy nog hier saam met my?
Are we still together?
SVR ja, net 'n bietjie moeg meneer.
Yes, a little bit tired, sir.
My liggaam
My body.
gaan nou lekker gaan slaap.
I'm gonna go and sleep nicely now.
Kyk, is nou toe jy by Makalima se huis was
Nou.
daar enigiemand anders?
Now, when you at Makalima's house, was there anyone else?
SVR nee, ek het net vir Makalima gesien daar meneer.
No, I just saw Makalima there, sir.
Haar kinders het seker geslaap meneer.
Their children must have been sleeping, sir.
Kyk, ek skryf net my vrae neer wat ek jou vra.
I'm just writing down a question that I'm asking you.
SVR, hoe nou meneer?
What now, sir?
Kyk, ek skryf die vraag neer wat ek nou vir jou gevra het.
I'm just writing down the question that I've just asked you now.
Toe julle was daar enigiemand anders toe julle vir Jocelyn by Makalima se huis gelos het?
When you were there, was there any other person at Makalima's when you left Jocelyn there at Makalima's house?
SVR nee meneer.
No, sir.
KS, is daar enige iets wat jy vir my wil sê wat jy dalk wegsteek?
Is there anything that you'd like to tell me that you are hiding?
SVR nee meneer.
No, sir.
KS, is jy seker?
Are you certain?
SVR ja meneer.
Yes, sir.
KS meneer, ek gaan vir jou 'n laaste vraag vra.
Say, I'm going to ask you the last question.
Was jy dalk betrokke met die verdwyning van Jocelyn?
Were you perhaps involved in Jocelyn's disappearance?
SVR nee meneer, ek was nie betrokke nie.
No, sir, I was not involved.
KS, okay meneer, ek gaan nou jou verklaring vir jou deurlees. Hoor?
Fine. Say, I'm going to read through your statement now
En wat jy vir my gesê het oor die vraag.
so that you can hear what you have just told me as
Ek
to my
moet-
questions.
Ek moet dit doen.
I have to do it.
Ons gaan nou klaarmaak.
We are about to get done.
Jy moet nou luister wat ek vir jou sê.
You must just listen to what I'm about to tell you.
The contents is then read back.